Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to format currency values in Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and I have created a table as well. And we're going to change the format of the price column into a currency format. So the first thing we're gonna do is selecting the column like this. We can tap and hold on the column and we can drag it down. And after that, we can click on this button, this A button. Then we can click on cell. Then we can go down until we find number format, and it's right here. Just tap on it. And since we want to format as currency format, we can go down until we find currency, and it's right here. Just tap on it. But if you want to explore more currencies from the other country, you can click on more currencies right here and just select the country. And I'm just going to click on this currency, so just tap on it. Alright guys, and now the format has been changed, and that's how we can format currency values in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.